repairing this boat would not be easy, but possible. First things on the aft and the belly, you're gonna want to caulk, refurbish, replenish. Then on the hardboard side, you're gonna want to set it up with some epoxy, some shelf feed, and put it together with some elk wood. It should be able to go together after about, you're gonna have to invest 45, 55 hours into this, but it should be able to be done. Repair the holes with different types of hardwood, and of course the aft valve. You'll have to use a little bit of some cleaner on that. So good luck, good project.